standard 10th B. We are students from Sindhu Sagar Academy English Medium High School. Our topic is agriculture and rural development. Our project name is self-charging electric desert pickup truck. In transportation sector is rapidly growing and involving safety, environmental and efficiency concerns have spurred many emotions, including the electric cars, electric trucks, and more efficient aeroplanes and autonomous vehicles. But in today's date, we can see that in many villages of desert area facing the problem of transportation, so there is a negative effect on the health of the villagers and their financial status. Transportation in desert is costly and also higher risks are there in transportation of desert. While doing the transportation of desert, the villagers suffer a great loss or damage. To overcome this kind of worst situation, we have made this project named self-charging electric desert pickup. So as you can see, we have drawn its diagram. So in this, we have installed 3 motors. These 3 motors are there: motor 1, motor 2 and motor 3. These 3 motors are denoted by M1, M2 and M3. And as you can see here, we have drawn its graph. So whatever the circuit in this is of white color, it is operating circuit, and the second is generating circuit. So in this circuit we can see that 2 colors of circuit are there. First, which is white, is operating circuit, and the second it is generating circuit. So here 3 motors are installed. So the work of motor 3 is to generate electricity. The motor 3 is of different type. It is a dynamo motor. The work of the dynamo motor is to create electricity. So we can see here, when the whole vehicle will move, so the all tires will rotate. So to consume the power of tire, so we have installed here a motor, which is motor 3. So when it will rotate, it will create electricity, and from here the electricity provided to the main controller through controller output. So whatever electricity is being generated by this motor, first it will go to the main controller, and then the main controller will allow it to pass to the battery. So when battery 2 is operating motor, this both motor, so suppose this is our means operating circuit. So this battery 2 will operate this both motor at a time, and on the same time this battery 1 will be charging. How this motor will produce electricity? It will go to the main controller, and thereafter it will go to battery 1. So in this type of circuit, the battery will get charged. So as you can see here, that this is our main controller. It is included of 5 switches. These 2 switches are the main switches, means the electricity is taken and blocked by these two switches, and these 2 switches are the switches which will be very helpful for accelerating the vehicle. So, and this last circuit, this last switch is for the input of solar energy. So this is our motor, and I am going to show you the working. So as you can see here, the main controller part is here. So in this diagram I show the main controller. This is our main controller. So you can see that first of all we will talk about the solar panels. So as we are using this vehicle in desert, obviously there will be strong sunlight. So consume sunlight in form of electricity to the batteries. We have added as solar panels. As you can see on the roof of this project, we have added a pair of solar panels which will create electricity using sunlight to the batteries. So first of all, what is the circuit over here? Circuit procedure over here. First, it will collect electricity from the sun, and to this switch it comes, and this switch is in the hand of the driver, whether he want to keep or not the electricity in the batteries. So here you can see that this is also working. So first of all, the power will come to this switch, and then it will go to this controller, and after that this controller will allow it to come back again in the battery. So first part is over, and the second part is, you can see that these are the motors. So as you can see that these 2 motors are operating motor as shown over here, and this third motor is our generating motor. So when this all will move, the motor will generate electricity, and the same thing it will happen. First it will go to the controller, and after that the controller will allow it to pass come again in this battery. So this is not actually outside of the truck. We have made this control outside of the truck to show you, to explain you. Otherwise it is in like this here, means here it is to control in the hands of driver to control. So what are the benefits of this project? It is very efficient and it first if it is charged, it can go up to 600 kilometers in desert. And you can see we have used very different types of tires in this project. So what is the what is the use of this tires? It can survive up to 60 degrees Celsius heat in desert. So as you can see here, we have taken a load, and now we are going to show the efficiency of this project. Here, first what we have to do is first we have to take the power input, otherwise it will not work. You can see here, first we have to take the power inside and the main power inside. So now this control is activated, and now what we have to do is we can control this like this. As you are seeing here, it will save a lot of electricity, as well as it will be very pocket friendly to the villagers. And if this project exists in real life, it will cost only 4 to 5 lakhs to build. So to improve the economical condition, trading and transport facilities in the desert, this electric self-charging pickup truck is best. It can run in very adverse condition of desert. This is fully operating on non-conventional source of energy. Hence, we are able to save fossil fuels and environment and also pollution. Thank you.